Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Working on a 2019 Reflection 203 fifth wheel.
303, sorry.
303 fifth wheel. And some of the complaints we're getting is the actual stovetop. They've changed it a little bit on this model. You actually have to push down on the knob and over and hold it, and then push the ignite button. And once it's been a second, you can release and then adjust it to the setting that you want. So you make sure you push down, over, ignite, and then turn it back off when you're done. Ignite, release. So if you don't press it and you just turn it on, it won't ignite. And this is a built-in safety feature that they started doing in case people bump these. So in case you guys are wondering, now you know. Thanks for watching Joe's RV Tech DIY. Have a great day. Until next time, safe travels.